बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos channel. These are most amazing and very pretty seashell wreath ideas for you guys. These are amazing and very unique seashell wreath decoration ideas for you guys, and I hope so you enjoyed these type of seashell craft ideas or wreath design. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and if you want different other craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, these are very amazing and very unique seashell wreath design for you guys. So guys, always think positive, always be positive. These are very unique and very stunning seashell ideas for you guys. These are most amazing and very pretty seashell craft ideas for you guys. And if you want different other craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, these are very pretty seashell wreath ideas for you guys. Always think positive and always be positive. You guys make these seashell wreath design at home very easily, and you also watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of wreath design. So guys, always take care of yourself Keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. Always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, guys.